Hey everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, and every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing another video on the DHgate affiliate program. I know I've done a few in the past. You guys have had questions for me and all of that sort of thing. So hopefully in today's video, I can kind of go through that. Also, I want to tell you about a course that DHgate Affiliate Learning has online on Udemy. So if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about the basics. If you are a beginner, if you're just thinking about signing up for the DHgate affiliate program, if you have never in your life affiliate marketed ever, this is going to be a little bit of an introduction on DHgate's new program that they are launching. So they already have it launched. You guys can go to it today, sign up for it, and it's basically like one of those courses, you know, those master classes that you guys see on YouTube all the time that you have to pay for, you know, that are endorsed by celebrities like J-Lo. There is a J-Lo masterclass out there, I believe, that teaches you how to sing. So think about that sort of thing, like a masterclass, a crash course, if you will, on the DHgate affiliate program that's not endorsed by celebrities like J-Lo, so you don't have to pay an arm and a leg for it. So you can find this course on Udemy. I will leave the link in the description box or in the pinned comment below if you guys want to check it out. I highly recommend it if you have any questions regarding the affiliate program, anything like that. This course is going to be super helpful. So I'm going to go through what exactly you will learn in the course, how long it is, all of that good stuff. So if you guys have any questions, you can leave them for me in the comments below and I will try my best to answer you if you have any further questions after this video. So is there any prerequisites required to do this course online? Absolutely not. There is no prerequisites. Anybody can sign up, whether or not you've ever done affiliate marketing before, whether you're a beginner, anything of that sort, you can sign up for this course. You don't need any prerequisites. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to be learning is you're going to be learning marketing basics, and basically this is going to give you guys a little bit of an introduction into the DHgate affiliate program and how exactly you can make money online for yourself. This is going to introduce you to how the program works and how exactly money is made with affiliate marketing. So if you are thinking about dabbling into the affiliate marketing realm, this is going to be an introduction. If you've never heard of affiliate marketing before and you're just kind of curious on how you can make money online, this is just going to be the little introduction and beginner basics on how you can make money with the DHgate affiliate program and what affiliate marketing really consists of. So the next thing you're going to learn is how you can get started and how you can potentially become your own boss in the future. So of course, with anything, you know, it depends on how hard you work at it. If you have any social media connections, that sort of thing, if you're planning to like post your links on, say, YouTube or TikTok or Instagram, and depending on how much of a following you have, the more successful you're going to be in the beginning. However, I've mentioned this in the past before, you don't need a huge following. I don't have a huge following on YouTube. I am very, very close to 6,000 subscribers, which I am very, very thankful about, but it's not anywhere near, you know, like 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, you know, I don't have that many followers. So if I'm making money with the affiliate program, so can you. It's obviously not gotten to the point where I can, you know, quit my job because I'm earning like excessive amounts of money every month. It's not like that yet, but I'm hoping it will get there in the future. I'm never gonna quit my day job because I just kind of put that on myself when I first started making YouTube videos and being on social media, and everybody was quitting their jobs to go, you know, just do social media full time. Even though that would be like a really, really far end goal for me, I don't think I would fully quit my job to be on social media full time, you know what I mean? This part of the course is going to teach you how you can be your own boss. This is not anywhere near like an MLM. This is actually going to earn you money and you don't have to put anything toward it, you know? So for MLMs, if you've ever thought about signing up for an MLM, because I have in the past. I'm really against MLMs these days, which is multi-level marketing, I think it stands for, but that's completely different from affiliate marketing. So for MLMs, you do have to pay a sign-up fee, and you never really earn money. Even though people make you think that they earn money, those MLM huns, they make you think that they have a lot of money and that they're succeeding. Girl, no, they're not. Look into MLMs a little bit more. So if you're trying to decide between affiliate marketing and being in an MLM, I highly recommend affiliate marketing, because there's no like initial investment. You're not paying someone $200, $300 to sign up for something. You're literally signing up for free and doing your own work. And it depends on, you know, how much sales you make, depends on how much commission you get back. So you will get back some commission, because I know that there are a lot of people out there that really love DHgate and are really into different items that they sell. So, you know, don't even worry about it. It's free. Just sign up, okay? Like, we don't got to do all that MLM stuff. You are going to be discovering the most popular niches online to profit from. So this is based on basically your niche as a social media influencer. If you're not a social media influencer, if you're just, you know, gonna be intending to share these links with your friends and family and that sort of thing on like Facebook or something like that, depends on like what niche you're kind of going for. So if somebody's really into fashion, if you're super into fashion, that is going to be your niche. Your niche is going to be fashion. If you really like, say, shoes or something like that, shoes is a good one to profit from. But I feel like shoes and fashion kind of go hand in hand. So if you're a man and you really are into your sneakers, you have tons of friends that are into sneakers, maybe you have a whole Instagram dedicated to your sneakers, then sneakers would be your niche, and that's what you would most likely profit from. So it's gonna kind of dive into the trending niches of 2022. So with that being said, you are going to grasp the knowledge in different trending items based on your niche. You will learn how to use the DHgate affiliate marketing program to your benefit step by step. So from the sign up process to creating your own links on the media manager, that sort of thing, you're going to learn that as well in this course. You're going to be able to understand key phrases when it comes to marketing the products that you want to share, like the links that you want to share, the products that you want to promote, hashtags, ways to title your video and stuff like that, finding key phrases to promote your item. So you are also going to learn how to grasp the knowledge of promoting your item on your certain social media channels, whether it be YouTube, Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all of that good stuff. You're going to learn how to promote on those platforms. So last but not least, you are also going to learn from DHgate affiliate marketers. So people like me that have been with the program for a while, that have success stories to tell you about and how they've gotten their success. You'll actually hear from real people and not just, you know, the DHgate affiliate marketing team. So this course takes place in 5 sections, and the total time of the course is 2 hours and 2 minutes, which is not that long. There's also a Q&A at the very end of the course. So if you have tons of questions, you shouldn't have tons of questions, because I feel like they go through every single thing on affiliate marketing in those 5 sections. But if you do still have questions, there is a Q&A part right at the very end, so you can go ahead and ask your question. But yeah, there is 5 main sections. The basics part of this course consists of the beginner side of the course. The basics portion of the course is going to go over how you can get started with the affiliate program, how you sign up, what affiliate program consists of, and affiliate marketing in general, what it consists of. This is going to go through how you promote your links, how you can earn money through your links, and just generally the basics. Now, part 2 is going to be targeting those niche audiences like I mentioned earlier, how you can figure out what niche you want to be a part of, whether it be fashion, beauty, sneakers, anything like that, to get more sales and that sort of thing. So part 3 is called the marketing crash course, and what this is going to go over is how you can promote your links on social media and just kind of go through like keywords and stuff that you can use when you're trying to make a sale or share your links and that sort of thing. And of course, you don't really have to have, you know, like a video type of social media to promote your items if that's not what you're into. If you have a website already and maybe say you're sending out monthly newsletters or that sort of thing. This part of the course is super creative. Ways to promote your links, different ways. Like I would have never thought about that, like monthly email newsletter type thing where you can share your, say, your DHgate finds or your favorite shoes or your favorite fashion that week or that sort of thing. So there's like newsletters or blogs, like, you know, those written blogs like Tumblr and stuff like that. Like I haven't used those in forever because I'm more of a visual type creator. But if you are into that, if you have like a fashion blog or that sort of thing. So part 4 is going to be how you can earn money online, how you are going to withdraw your, I call it just like a pool of money. So when you make sales and stuff like that on DHgate and you are getting money into your affiliate account, it kind of goes into this pool, and at the end of however long you decide, you can withdraw at $50 minimum, or you can wait. I usually wait until I have $100 in my pool and then I just withdraw it. And basically it goes through how you can do that. I do mine on the app. It's super easy, super simple. I keep track of how much money I make and that sort of thing on the app, and I withdraw that amount right directly from my app. It's super easy. But this part of the course teaches you how to do that. Also, it goes over payment methods, whether or not you want to do like wire transfer or PayPal. I personally am a PayPal girl. I've always had PayPal for as long as I can remember, since I was like 18. So I definitely go the PayPal route, but you can also do, like I said, wire transfer, different stuff like that. And it can go over your payment timeline as well, like how long from the time you withdraw. This is a question that I get very, very frequently on my affiliate program videos, or even on Instagram. You guys message me questions all the time, and this is one that I always get. It's like, how long from the time I do either like a PayPal or wire transfer will I get the money? And I always say, like, look on the app probably the next day. I would say, like, give it a few hours at least, and it'll give you a estimated time of transfer date, and it's usually within 3 weeks. I know sometimes that's a really, really long time, but that's usually how long it takes. So just be mindful of that. You're not getting your money instantly or anything like that. You're gonna have to wait like the 2 or 3 weeks or however long it is, but that is how you check. You can check on the app. So yeah, that is part 4 of the course. Now part 5 is the last part of the course, and this goes over just your basic questions that you have after the course. It's kind of like a Q&A. Also, there's going to be people on there like me and other people that have success stories from the affiliate program, just talking to you about their experiences. So I feel like this whole course is very well-rounded. It kind of goes through everything from the beginning steps of how you can sign up to the affiliate program to how you can make money, how you can promote your links, how you can withdraw your money, and it goes through question and answer plus, you know, real people giving you guys their experiences. So I feel like this is a very well-rounded course, and the fact that it's only 2 hours and 2 minutes, I'm kind of shook, because it is literally 5 lectures in 2 hours and 20 minutes. That is insane. Like, I feel like this course would take 6 hours or more, you know, but it's very condensed. You get all of your information, and I know that a lot of people, including myself, have a very short attention span, and you can only pay attention for like a certain amount of time. I know I watch some YouTube videos and I literally can only get through the first like 3 or 4 minutes, and then I'm like done with it, you know? So I mean, 2 hours and 2 minutes of your time to basically just improve and better your life, earn money online. I know that right now, with the world we live in, everything is super inflated, like prices and everything like that. And if you can earn a little bit of money here and there, whether or not you want to go through the affiliate marketing route or other ways on social media, I mean, I feel like it's a given. Like, it's a good thing for you, and it'll improve your life, and like 2 hours. 2 hours of your time, that's it. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys are interested in checking out the DHgate affiliate program crash course, you can sign up for Udemy and sign up for their course with the link down in the description box below or in the pinned comment. I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. And if you guys are interested in signing up for the affiliate program, my link will be in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. By the way, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you can support the channel by buying me a coffee with my buy me a coffee link in the description box below. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I let you neighbor